Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your DOQAUS Care 1 Bluetooth wireless headphones. You may need to do this if you're having any kind of issues like they won't connect to the Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or you're having problems with the sound, or they're not working. Any other kind of troubleshooting like that can be fixed a lot with a hard reset. Now, once you do this hard reset, you will need to repair them with your device because it will be forgotten. But if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy. All you need is like a paper clip or a little, one of those iPhone SIM card ejector pins, a pin that'll go in a little reset hole, but it won't poke a hole. And so where this hole, it's kind of hidden, the reset button here, is you basically have the charge port here, and right next to it you have your headphone, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So actually at the bottom of that jack is the reset button. So what you want to do is stick a paper clip or like I said, an iPhone SIM ejector pin down in there and hold it for just a second or two, and that will initiate the reset on these headphones, at which point you can turn them back on and then repair them as a new set of headphones to whatever device you like.